right, y'all. Y'all ready for your next comedian?
Yeah. Your next comedian isn't your local serial killer, because he tends to bomb more than kill. Give it up for the one, the only, Doug!
Oh, thanks, Teddy. You ever go along with someone's plans because they think of someone else? Man, I was jogging through the park, trying to catch my breath, and then some weirdo slides up next to me and goes, "Are you the gay staffer on this?" And I'm like, "Yeah, totally." Mind you, I have no idea what a gay staffer is. I thought it was a fence.